Yo, what's good YouTube gang? Your boy Jambisco back with another banger reaction, you know, people. Yeah man, you already know what time it is, yo. Yeah man gang, we there with another installment of the Dutty money Riddim. Yeah man, Kraff just dropped theme tune. This one has been highly anticipated. People been waiting on this one ever since they heard the little snippet on IG. Yeah man, this is a Kraff Nursery rhyme and the Dutty money Riddim. You see me, I say, you don't know, Kraff get authorized for a long time. You see me? Yeah, my authorization being got you, so I check out the video and see what I do with it today. Yeah man, this is a Kraff Nursery rhyme gang. Let's do it.
I miss a boom panny magic school bus.
Yeah man, mama. Yeah, boom panny magic school bus. You see me? Yeah, forward, compare it.
Run panny magic school bus.
Easy. Come feel right there. I mean, hey, alright.
Boom panny magic school bus.
Roll it.
Run panny magic school bus.
Yeah man. I'll get no. Hey, load it up.
Mama quint up your pussy panny left hand side. Skin out, mad out, get wild all night. Now run boom flip.
But how you do that though? Oh yeah, you don't quit it on the left hand side, brother. Eh?
Run.
I did a visual demonstration, you see me?
Panny magic school bus. Mama quint up your pussy panny left hand side. Skin out, mad out, get wild all night. Now run boom flip on your head, don't slide.
Yeah man. Run boom flip on your head, don't slide. That skill them to take it out.
That girl don't try. Mama quint up your pussy on the left hand side. Skin out, mad out, get wild all night. Now run boom flip on your head, don't slide.
This a vibe. Yeah, mama go on, no man. That's why you push from me. That's why you push troller. That's why.
If a girl want try, tell a girl come die. Mama bumper, I go run and run, run and run, run and run. Mama bumper.
Girl, make your bumper go run and run. Hey, don't.
I go run and run all through that town. And Mary had a little man.
Body bumper, dog. I remixed the nursery rhyme for real. Want to be a little man and a little lamb no more.
Little man, Mary had a little man. She did him like a clown.
Bumper, what should do dog like a clown? Jaja.
Mama quint up your pussy on the left hand side. Skin out, mad out, get wild all night. Now run boom flip.
Yeah man, see the man will get wild all night long. You see me and say it till the
heads don't slide. Body better girl don't try. Mama quint up your pussy on the left hand side. Skin out, mad out, get wild all night.
Hey, yeah man, this is why girl them definitely go love the one man. You see me? Yeah man, for the ladies man, and it's like them better play them at party man.
Run boom flip on your head don't slide. If a girl want try, tell a girl come die. Mama bumper, I go run and run, run and run, run and run. Mama bumper, I go run.
Easy no one, yeah, hey, yeah
run
man.
and run all through that town. Knocking on your pum pum. Go on body right there, yeah. Well, tell a waste man, say him can't get chance. Fly away, people.
Man, tell a waste man, he can't get chance. Easy no what you yell them, you see them man out there, hey.
Fly away.
And then body rider, and then boom boom shots, hey.
Paul, mama come in on my room, and me fly away, jazz. Me say,
hey, yeah man, come that fly away. Boss for like BG kind, I want you.
Come dash. I miss her come dash. I miss her come.
Hey.
Mama quint up your pussy on the left hand side. Skin out, mad out, get wild all night. Now run.
Yeah man, it's a vibe. It's definitely a vibe. Party anyway, you see me. Yeah man.
Flip on your head, don't slide. Body better girl don't try. Mama quint up your pussy on the left hand.
Unfortunately, it's gonna be big with the kid guys. Sound like a nursery rhyme. You see me?
Skin out, mad out, get wild all night. Now run boom flip on your head, don't slide. If a girl want try, tell a girl come die. Mama bumper, I go run and run.
Easy now, watch out.
Run and run, mama bumper, I go.
All the girls in the house are wicked.
Run and run, all through that town. Mama bumper, I go run and run, run and
yeah man.
Run and run.
Yeah man, Dutty money with him and thing. Kraff, Russian, big up on the day himself. No one ever feel the visuals. Yeah man, yeah, vibes gang. One thing about the one day, you see me? Don't know Kraff. Everybody knows a Kraff come do me thing on the track, you see me? Yeah man, everybody knows a Kraff come mash up the beat, you see me? Kraff. Ever since he did that snippet, everybody been waiting on that shit. You see me? All like girls and man have been waiting on that shit. Yeah, man, and it's in time for the holidays. The Dirty Money Riddim definitely I come vibe with the holidays. Nah, like, you know what I'm saying? He selected them some things to play. And I think why Russian do it in want if he also go on for the holidays and they bleed over in the next year. And the year said not nice I come back with thing there. Riddim. I will show him again. Danny showed him. I forgot we showed him I bring back. But yeah. Yeah man, yeah, and that's nice man. If they select them start bring back all these throwback rhythms and as me give the new artists a chance to voice on it and you know get a new school feel. I'm saying because I do it for a time in the dancer where most people consider one of the nicest time in dancer. You see me I say, so why not? Yeah. Definitely a vibe gang. So yeah man, let me know anything about the one day. Drop no comments in the comment section if you like it. Definitely go show the artists some love and support. You know, say Jambisco dance sending. You see me I say. Yeah man gang. And yeah, link in the description to the Discord is fixed. So join the Discord, become part of the family. Yeah man, do. You see me I say, talk to me directly, send me videos, all that good shit. You see me I say, yeah man, we're there over there, we're late. You see me gang. Yeah man, we're there, vibe man. More reactions coming. We got hella more reactions coming. We're going live today. Yeah, so look out for the live. I drop a bag of more videos. You know what I'm saying? Good 4 or 5 more videos coming for today. You feel me? So look out for that. But the dip and go on the road and I'll be back. You know what I'm saying? And I'm keep reactions coming. Keep them coming. That's that. Back on there. You see me? Yeah man, like a factory man. Yeah man, we there a vibe man. You see me? Time for double and triple and quadruple and you see me? Yeah man, upload at daytime. You see me? Time for go on this man gang. You see me? They have vibe out. Yeah, let me know what y'all want me to react to next. Drop in the react at y'all gang. Yeah man, I get serious with the requests now. I want y'all to send me requests of the hottest and latest songs that y'all want me to react to. You see me I say? Yeah man, if the song hot and the latest song we need to know about, I want y'all to drop it. You see me? If I know say yo, the song is shot, the song is the next. You know what I'm saying? This is hot right now. You don't have to be from the main top stream artists. It can be from underground artists where you know say yo, the song I go bub soon shot. People don't hear about it once, people hear about it about, you know, it's gonna be yeah, send me them strong the dog. You see me? Send me all of the fire bangers. I know you know say I views and you know what I'm saying? Send me them ones so I can react to them. You see me? I'm saying you're gonna get your shout out. You see me? All that good stuff. Yeah man gang, and if you got your own personal music, make sure say you send me your request. Also, yeah man, for this month and next month, birthday month, this next month I'm doing a promotion. So if you want to get your song reviewed or reacted to by me and get your song on the platform, hit me up on IG. You see me? Send me a message. I got deals going on right now for videos, so make sure you hit me up. You see me? So you can get your music on the platform and get a little bit of exposure and all that good stuff. You see me? I say gang, yeah man, I don't know what time it is, boy Jambisco. Till next time, take care. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.
I wanna play my DJ. I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shot selector boy.